Okay, so hello everyone. I guess we can start our session. People will be joining in between. So thank you so much for joining today. And this is your maybe one of the session where you will learn about YouTube. Now, first of all, I would like to welcome you all to my this masterclass. This is my first masterclass in this year, and I thought about taking the session about YouTube because YouTube is a very popular platform, and most of us want to create our channel, run our channel, and do something out of it. So I thought, why not help everyone to understand how you can go and create your channel and run and make it and grow and maybe monetize it in some time later. So my name is Ashwini and I am a digital marketing trainer and consultant. I work with MNCs and I work with a lot of clients and consulting firms to help them understand how they can actually grow their business, especially on digital marketing and digital media front. So I help them understand, formulate their strategies. I help them understand how they can design their campaigns on digital marketing. I help them in on the influence marketing and a lot of things. So I have more than 12 years of experience. So with that, I would like to help you guys. It's a free of cost. So I would like to help you guys in next 1 hour how best you can create YouTube campaigns or YouTube channel and make it run and make it more efficient. So this is a 1 hour session. Okay, so if you have any questions you can put them in the chat. I will take the questions at the end. I will make sure that you you understand everything. Okay, so let's get started. So thank you so much for joining, and let me take you through that what exactly we will be doing in this session in this 1 hour. So the very first thing that we'll be doing and we'll be learning is why video, why video has become an important part of today's ecosystem. So we'll understand the rise of video consumption. We'll then go and understand YouTube ecosystem, that why YouTube has become a major player in today's video player. Then we'll understand how to set up YouTube channel, how to upload your video on YouTube, how to go live, what are the monetization policies, what are the couple of YouTube metrics that you should keep an eye on when you're uploading your videos and when your videos are live, and couple of links, important links, and important YouTube tools. So I'll take you inside my channel. I'll show you everything live so that you understand. Okay, so as I said, if you have any question, feel free to ask your question in the chat and I will take that at the end. Okay, so let's get started. Now the question is why video. Now the reason is very simple, and before that I would like you guys to do a small activity. I'll give you guys 30-40 seconds for this. Okay, what I want you guys to do is, if you have an Android phone or iOS phone, or let's say Apple phone, just take out your phone, go to these settings, follow these steps. And if you, let's say if you have an Android phone, okay, so if you have an Android phone, go to this setting. Okay, go to this setting, and in this setting you can go to this digital well-being. Okay, so just click on digital well-being and it will show you the apps that you are using it and what's the amount of time you're spending on that. So I want you guys to, if you're using iPhone, you can just go to these settings and you can click on screen time. It will show you the amount of time you've spent on which app. So just go there and let me know what's the amount of time, which app you are using the most. Okay, I'll wait for your confirmation. Okay, so let me know. Okay, Sadia is saying YouTube. Okay, fantastic, good. If you guys respond to me, it's good because you will learn a lot. Okay, this is something that don't think that there are whatever app comes in your digital well-being or on your iPhone. Tell me, because I can then connect with you with the upcoming slides. Now with that, let me give you some data points before we dip into YouTube. Now on an average, a person spent 100 minutes a day watching online video in the last year. 100 minutes a day. So you can imagine that if we it's 100 minutes is what, 60 minutes is 1 hour, 120 minutes is 2 hours. So you see, almost 80 one and a half hour you are watching videos online. So that's the quantum. You can see out of 24 hours, almost 10% of the time we are spending on watching video. Another data point says that by 2022, which is this year, 82% of the global internet traffic will come from streaming videos and downloads. What are streaming videos? Like Netflix, like OTT platforms, okay, or video on demand platforms. So these are the platforms where most of the traffic will come from. Most of the people will go to these places and they will watch videos. And I am sure that you will agree with me that this is what the trend is moving towards. I'm sure you are also watching videos on these OTT platform, maybe of your choice, but you are watching it, okay. You can also see most of the movies and big shows are coming on these platforms because the audience is there, okay. 1/3 of all the online activity is spent watching videos. So if you have 100 things that to do on internet, 30 things or 33 things are done via watching video, okay. And people watch on average 60 hours of video every week. 60 hours, that's the quantum of amount of time that we are spending every week on watching these videos. And I'm not saying this out of myself, this is the statistic that I got it, and this is what I'm getting it, okay. Let me share one more thing. 6 out of 10 people prefer watching online video content compared to TV. So trust me, if you ask me to watch television, I don't even know what shows are coming. Maybe my mom or my grandmother or my elders in the family who are still using television to watch their serials or soaps, they are more aware than me. And you are similar to me, you are even less aware than me because you are more hooked onto these devices where on demand videos are coming. So 6 out of 10 people prefer watching online videos than on television. Couple of more data points. 75% of all videos are played on mobile device. So this device plays a very important role, okay. People are 1.5 times more likely to use their phone to watch a video. So I don't know when was the last time I watched a video on my laptop, okay, or on my tab. I don't even remember because I don't watch it. I use my laptop for my work, and everything I do it on this device, okay. And that's why this device is being called mobile, because I can use it anywhere and everywhere, okay. 70% of millennials prefer to watch videos in portrait mode, which means this way, okay, not this way. A lot of people watch video this in the vertical format, okay. Now if you see Instagram stories, those are vertical format, okay. YouTube stories are vertical format because people hold phone like this. That's why people prefer watching videos in portrait or vertical format. Video consumption on mobile device increased by 100% every year. Very true. Everybody who gets a mobile watches video. So these are the couple of things that I wanted to bring to your to your highlight, so that you are aware what exactly is getting into it, okay. Now it's very important that you understand why I am giving you these important information. See, if I straight away take you to YouTube and show you everything, it doesn't make sense, because you need to understand the importance of the platform. You need to understand why that platform matters. And let's say tomorrow if any business comes to you or brand comes to you and say, hey, why don't you create a video for me because your channel is successful, you need to know what kind of audiences are coming on that platform. It's like you will only buy a house in a city where you have a job. Similarly, you need to understand the video ecosystem, then only you will understand YouTube ecosystem, okay. Now this slide says that by July 2021 globally, what are the reason people states when they say that they're using internet. And you can see that top 4 reasons, if you see over here: finding information, staying in touch with friends and family, keeping up to date with news and events, researching on how to do things, watching videos, TV shows and movies, and XYZ. Now I'm definitely sure that finding information these days, people don't rely only on search engines. They also dip into YouTube channels to search, or maybe Instagram videos to to get some queries. So I was saying that if I want to search something, I would prefer to dip into YouTube to see a video rather than just depending on Google search or any search. So it's also important for you to understand that people are not only using videos for entertainment purpose, they're also using videos to learn new things, to find query of their questions, and also to to get answers. Okay, so it has become an alternative channel for them to get answers for their questions. So that is also an important part. Now, where people are consuming videos? So people are consuming videos on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and many other platforms. But these are the major places where people are actually consuming videos. And 88% is what the number has been come up for YouTube. That people say it's most popular platform among marketers for sharing videos, online, and then followed by Facebook, LinkedIn, and Insta. So YouTube is the most popular platform when it comes to putting videos. Okay, so that also gives us a reason why YouTube is important. I'm not saying other platforms are not important, but the reach that you get via YouTube, and the benefit that you get via uploading your video on YouTube is enormous. Now, where people are consuming these videos, so 65% of the viewers says that YouTube is their favorite channel for consuming video content, where globally 40% of the shoppers said that they purchase products that they had discovered on YouTube. So even from a business point of view, if you see, these platforms are very critical, because when someone watches a video, gets convinced that okay, I want to buy this product. So for a brand, it's very important that they have a video strategy. They should have a video channel, and when they put a channel, they should put some informative things to help people understand what exactly their product is and in what scenario their product can be consumed. So that's where it's there. And YouTube is the second most preferred content for millennials to consume online video, after Netflix. Now Netflix is a place where you and I cannot go and upload content. It's for for publishers, for producers, and for people who are creating contents. But YouTube is a place where you and I can go and create contents and upload it. Okay, so that's there. So you have to understand the ecosystem, that where people are consuming it and where you can actually put the platter on the you can put the plate and people can consume your content. Okay, so that's how the entire ecosystem is there. Let's see if I have any question. Okay, cool. Now let me give you a quick update about YouTube ecosystems, why YouTube, and some numbers about YouTube. So on an average, if you run ads on YouTube, okay, you can target 2.2 billion people, which means double the population of our country, India. So there are 229 crore people who are on YouTube. So that's the audience that's available on YouTube. If you go, huge. And total number of hours of videos watched on YouTube each day is 1 billion hours. 1 billion. So in one day we actually have only 24 hours. But there are so many people are there on YouTube, and they watch videos so many times, so that that basically translates into 1 billion. Share of total YouTube watch time takes place 70%. YouTube female penetration as an audience is 45 and male audience is 54. So that's demographic. Now people of all age watch video on YouTube, so you can see, but this is the most dominant one, 25 to 34. Okay, so these are the two age demographic which is mostly hooked on to YouTube. And these are the countries where you can see the reach and the covered population. So if you see, US has around 24 million reach is there. So US population is, I think, around 35 million population is there. Okay, but YouTube covers 78% of the population. Okay, whereas in India it has a 44.8 million reach, but it only covers 36% of our 18 plus population. So in India it still has a huge scope to increase its reach. Okay, so these are the number of rank wise country where people are actually how YouTube can help you to reach people. So you can definitely see India is one of the hot cake for YouTube marketing. Okay, So we understood the video ecosystem, we understood the YouTube ecosystem. Now let's go and understand how you can go and create YouTube channel, set up YouTube channel. So now I'll take you inside the into my YouTube channel. I show you a couple of things. So that's where you will understand how you can create a channel, and a lot of things I'll be talking about.